Carl Zimmer, A Planet of Viruses. Dive into the fascinating world of viruses with Carl Zimmer's A Planet of Viruses, a book that unravels the mysteries surrounding these microscopic organisms. Discover the role that viruses play, from the historical nuisances such as the rhinovirus to persistent plagues like influenza, and even the beneficial impact of bacteriophages. Uncover the ever-changing nature of these entities and learn more about how scientists have been contextualizing their existence, behavior, and influence on our lives, evolution, and future. Prepare yourself for an eye-opening journey, exploring the complex roles and implications of viruses on our planet.
Unraveling the common cold. The common cold, an annoying ailment we all encounter, has persisted throughout human history. Dating back to the ancient Egyptians, treatments have evolved from herbal remedies to the bizarre practice of rubbing mice on one's nose, as the Romans did. The Greeks believed the cold was due to a fluid imbalance in the body, while 1900s physicians like Leonard Hill attributed it to exposure to temperature changes. Modern science has identified the rhinovirus as the primary culprit, but a foolproof cure remains elusive. Various harmless viruses, including rhinovirus, actually help strengthen our immune systems against more severe infections, raising the question of whether a cure is necessary or beneficial. Influenza's dangerous evolution. Influenza, a centuries-old viral infection, remains difficult to cure due to its ever-changing nature. Comprising several viruses that constantly evolve and swap genes, the flu poses a serious threat to human health as it can destroy the protective membrane lining a person's airways, opening them up to dangerous pathogens. The spread of influenza from bird populations to humans is unpredictable and occasionally disastrous, as witnessed during the 2009 H1N1 swine flu pandemic, where a deadly supervirus emerged. While the fight against flu strains continues, simple habits like hand washing offer a significant defense against infection. Beneficial viruses, unlikely heroes. Contrary to common belief, not all viruses are harmful. Two types of viruses, bacteriophages and endogenous retroviruses, have played crucial roles in human history. Bacteriophages, discovered by Felix D. Harel, fight diseases by consuming harmful bacteria. Although initially overlooked in favor of antibiotics, they continue to play a vital role in protecting ocean waters from dangerous bacteria. Endogenous retroviruses, generated within animals' bodies, have shaped our genes. For example, HRVW helps bind cells crucial for the human placenta. These viruses contribute to the overall health and survival of various species and ecosystems. Throughout history, viruses have been vilified as microscopic agents of disease and destruction. But what if some of these viral underdogs could actually benefit our health? Enter bacteriophages, or phages for short, the unexpected defenders of our well-being. Canadian Dr. Felix D. Harel unveiled these bacterial devourers while studying dysentery in French soldiers during World War I. By experimenting with these viruses, D. Harel recognized their potential to cure diseases caused by harmful bacteria. Although the idea of using live viruses for treatment made many physicians uneasy, ultimately antibiotics took center stage. However, bacteriophages have since found a new purpose safeguarding our oceans. In fact, marine phages ravenously annihilate between 15 and 20% of dangerous bacteria daily, preventing the spread of waterborne diseases such as cholera. Beyond the phages, endogenous retroviruses have also offered us a helping hand. Burrowed within the bodies of animals, including humans, these sneaky viruses embed their genetic information into their host's DNA. As the host cells divide, the viral DNA is replicated, shaping genes in surprising ways. Consider the discovery of HRVW in 1999, an endogenous retrovirus that has been with us throughout human existence. This virus contains a gene responsible for producing syncytin, a vital protein that forms cellular connections in the outer layer of the placenta. Without HRVW, human reproduction would look very different, if not impossible. So the next time you hear virus, remember that some of these tiny life forms are here to help, championing our ongoing battle against illness and even ensuring the survival of our species. Unraveling viral mysteries. As our scientific understanding of viruses continues to grow, it's crucial to learn from past outbreaks like HIV and the West Nile virus. By studying their origins and mechanisms, we can better prepare for and potentially prevent future epidemics. HIV, which has infected 60 million people since its discovery in the 1980s, emerged from monkeys in Cameroon and rapidly spread due to globalization. Discovering the evolutionary history of HIV provides insights into targeting its weaknesses. Another example, the West Nile virus, reached the United States through infected birds and was transmitted to humans by mosquitoes. As the climate changes, researchers must remain vigilant in studying and learning from these past outbreaks to effectively combat future viral threats. Unpredictable viral outbreaks. Despite modern medicine's progress in combating viruses, our safety is challenged by unpredictability and the rapid spread of diseases like Ebola. Additionally, the potential for powerful viruses to be recreated or used as biological weapons poses a threat to future generations. With increasing global connectivity, we need to stay vigilant in mitigating these risks. Advancements in modern medicine have granted us the power to effectively battle and contain various viruses. However, our safety is far from guaranteed, as the unpredictable nature of outbreaks makes it difficult to truly secure our global society. Take Ebola, for example, which first emerged in Guinea in 1976 and rapidly caused the deaths of 318 individuals. This devastating virus returns periodically, with each outbreak widening its geographical reach and affecting larger populations. In the December 2013 outbreak, it claimed more than 10,000 lives. Different factors contribute to this growing danger. As remote areas, such as Guinea and Liberia, become more integrated with the rest of the world, viruses can spread swiftly, complicating containment efforts. Moreover, viruses can disappear from human populations in between outbreaks but continue evolving within wildlife, only to re-emerge without warning and infect people. Unfortunately, the unpredictability of viral behavior isn't the only concern. The ability to synthesize and recreate dangerous viruses also raises the alarming prospect of their use as biological weapons. With scientific advancements in DNA sequencing, it's possible to reconstruct more straightforward diseases like polio by studying their structure. What's more, highly complex viruses like smallpox, which still exist in vials as research samples despite calls for their destruction, could also be synthesized and weaponized. In our interconnected world, understanding and mitigating the risks posed by unpredictable viral outbreaks and the potential misuse of synthesized viruses is crucial. To safeguard future generations, we must remain ever vigilant in our fight against these invisible yet powerful threats.
Through the engaging narrative of A Planet of Viruses, we have gained an insightful understanding of these omnipresent entities that play a significant role in our lives. From the history of the rhinovirus to the perpetual menace of the flu, the beneficial bacteriophages, and unexpected assistance offered by endogenous retroviruses, viruses prove to be both intriguing and transformative in nature. While scientists are continuously expanding the parameters of understanding and controlling these viruses, the risk of biological warfare and unpredictable behavior raises numerous concerns. Carl Zimmer's book illuminates the vital topic of viruses, promoting informed conversation and awareness around these versatile and perplexing forces that significantly impact our world.